Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the comparison which such a very advanced, here we have it, electric ear irrigation cleaner. They are saying more comfortable and safer. So how is such a system, which is usually between $50 and $100, performing against just a simple $3 syringe? I mean, in this whole package there is also a syringe included which you can use, but the idea is of course to use this device. It's rechargeable. We have 4 different modes. We have fresh water tank, we have the wastewater tank, and then we have this completely enclosed system, so you can use one of these nozzles. So here we have a finer nozzle, and then we have 2 of the rougher nozzles with just one opening, so you can use one of them here and then hold it towards your ear. Make sure that everything is nicely covered, nicely enclosed, and then the warm water is sprayed in and the wastewater is collected down here. Of course, if you have larger items, they will be collected here and not go through the pipe here. After that, you can just remove that. So it's a very advanced system, looking really good, and I mean everything is working absolutely fantastic, exactly how it is listed. I've been using it now on both sides and it worked really well with the 3 opening nozzle. It's a very fine, like almost a ear massage, really comfortable with this one here, and especially on the strong settings it can be pretty hard. Gave me somehow like even some ear pain. I mean, the ear pain is gone, so it looks like there was no damage. But how is the result at the very end? Did it really do a full cleaning? And so as an end result, I can tell you, yeah, the wastewater looked a little bit different, definitely. So there was something removed a little bit, but it was not a real cleaning, unfortunately, I have to tell you. If you have some real problems, if you want to do a thorough cleaning, then this is still the better option. $3, $4, something like that, compared to maybe $70 with such a huge system, unfortunately. Of course, this is a little bit more difficult to use, needs a little bit more experience. You have to be more careful. You have to always maybe fill this up 5-6 times or so, while you could use just one tank here. But the result here with such a normal syringe is much better. This one here removed everything. This one here did a nice washing, but it really didn't remove a lot. It was really more like washing my ear inside, but not cleaning it out. So unfortunately, I cannot really give you a full recommendation for such a thing. So stick with this thing here, also much better for travel. Doesn't use a lot of space. You can always have it ready. You don't even have to charge it, and it's much cheaper. Yeah, that's it for now. Unfortunately, no recommendation for this huge advanced system here, but I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with such a system, then please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.